guys, what's up? Welcome to your favorite channel Tech Job. If you are new to our channel, please like and subscribe and hit bell icon for latest job related videos. So today we are going to see a new job opportunity from CERNER. CERNER is going to hire a software engineer position. The job location is in Bangalore and the post is for development. So job description is write code, test and debug new software, make enhancement to existing software from clear requirements. Job qualification is any degree like BTech, MTech, MCA, BCA and any batch pass out like 2020, 2021, 2019. You can apply for this job. So I paste the link in the description box. You go to the link and click apply now. After clicking apply now, you redirect to the next page and you have to create a new account for applying this job. So go and apply for this job and don't forget to subscribe our channel Tech Job.